Did you know that certain household products can create dangerous reactions when mixed? Let's dive into the science behind these reactions and explore why they occur. Picture this, a common bottle of bleach in one hand and a container of ammonia in the other. Seems innocuous, right? But combine these two and you're in for a nasty surprise. This mixture releases toxic chloramine gas, a reaction that occurs when the sodium hypochlorite in bleach reacts with the nitrogen in ammonia. When inhaled, chloramine gas can cause serious respiratory issues and even death. Now, imagine a bottle of rubbing alcohol and a dish of table salt. A seemingly harmless combination, yet it creates an exothermic reaction. The isopropyl alcohol reacts with the sodium chloride, releasing heat and potentially causing burns or fire. Next, consider the combination of vinegar and baking soda. This duo is famous for creating homemade volcanoes, but did you know it can also cause an explosion if contained tightly? This is because the acetic acid in vinegar reacts with the sodium bicarbonate in baking soda, producing carbon dioxide gas. If this gas is trapped, it can build up pressure and cause an explosion. Then there's hydrogen peroxide and acetone. When combined, these common household items can create an unstable compound known as acetone peroxide. This compound is highly explosive and was actually used in several terrorist attacks. Lastly, we have bleach and vinegar. This mixture creates chlorine gas, which was used as a chemical weapon during World War I. The sodium hypochlorite in bleach reacts with acetic acid in vinegar to create this deadly gas. So why do these reactions occur? It all comes down to chemistry. When certain chemicals come into contact with each other, they can undergo a chemical reaction, changing their molecular structure and releasing energy. This energy can manifest as heat, light, sound, or even an explosion. Knowledge is our greatest weapon against danger. Understanding these chemical reactions, knowing what substances should never be mixed, can mean the difference between a safe experiment and a dangerous situation. Education is key in preventing accidents. It's not enough for one person to know, we all need to be aware. So don't keep this knowledge to yourself. Share it. Share this video. Remember, the more we know, the safer we are. So spread the knowledge and stay safe. We've learned a lot today about the hidden dangers in our homes. It's eye-opening, isn't it? How everyday items can become hazardous when mixed. We hope you found this video informative and useful. If you did, please hit that like button, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more such enlightening content. We'd also love to hear your thoughts, or if you know of any other dangerous combinations that should be avoided. Let's continue this conversation in the comments section below. Remember, your curiosity is a powerful tool, but it should always be paired with caution. Never stop learning, but always prioritize safety. Until next time, stay curious, stay safe, and keep learning.